One more smartphone that will be upon us soon, Black Shark 4 high-end gaming phone. Now, in this case, The Verge says it doesn't look like one, which I'm not so certain about that. I think it kind of looks like a gaming phone. I guess it's not as intense, the design, as some other gaming phones, but if I see that, I'm thinking gaming phone, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, this is one of those game-centric devices that thinks a lot about cooling. You move up to Snapdragon 870 for standard model, Snapdragon 888 for the 4 Pro. So it's the 4 and the 4 Pro. They got the faster RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 to start on a $380 model. And then the Pro model, which goes up to $613, gives you 8 gigs of RAM and 256 storage. They are coming out in China on March 26th, which I guess that's like right now. So you got Black Shark, you got ROG, you got Red Magic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they do gaming phones too.
It's a gaming phone thing going on.
Was it Legion phone as well?
You got the Legion phone from Lenovo as well. So this thing is heating up, and they're sticking to it. I mean, we're on version 4 as far as this phone is concerned. And, you know, of course, there's special features in there, including crazy refresh rates, 144 hertz refresh.
Huh.
For those competitive types on the PUBG and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, there's something to look out for.